Hey guys, it's me here again doing another review. Today I wanted to give you a review on something that I cannot believe I ever lived without. And that is these plastic storage containers, food storage containers. They came in a set of 14, obviously. I bought them a couple times. What's really cool is they seal, so everything stays really fresh. This is the 4 different sides it seals on. It has this rubber seal in here that comes out, like if you want to put it in the dishwasher. So yeah, it is dishwasher safe, but it has these little labels that it comes with. It comes with extra labels too, but you can also like erase this because it comes with a little chalk pen. So yeah, I think it comes in a set of 14. You get like 2 bigger sizes, and then of course like the medium size, this size, and then you get I think the most of the smaller size. So but yeah, I probably am gonna be getting some more because I love them so much.